Hi, welcome to my another video. Today I will help you choose the 5 best carbon monoxide detectors on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am trying to list those based on price, quality and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top rated product updates. Number 5. First Alert On-Link Carbon Monoxide Detector. Yes, First Alert. Again, what can we say? They make good stuff with on-link smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. First Alert brings 2 solutions in one: smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. The battery-powered unit is long-lasting and reliable in his First Alert attempt at making a smart tech solution. The unit is linked to a one-link app on your phone or tablet, and will send notifications of detection, complete with where what was detected. It even pops up the call 912 emergency option right on the app, in case you forget that crucial bit in times of distress. Number 4. Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Nest Protect 2-inch-1 solution doubles as a smoke detector and is a welcome upgrade from the first generation Nest Protect alarm. This sleek product sniffs out carbon monoxide from all corners of your home, and it speaks like a human being. Instead of confusing beeps and chirps, the detector speaks to you or sends specific details of the location of the deadly carbon to your phone after you have installed the Nest app on your device. Of course, the app would also send notifications of smoke carbon detections to your phone when you eat at home, so you know what's going on in your apartment when you eat absent. When you do get home, the Nest has an occupancy sensor and subtle ambient lighting that will light up your path as you walk under it. Number 3. Kidde Battery-Operated Carbon Monoxide Alarm. The Kidde BLPM is a battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm that protects you and your household from rising levels of lethal fumes, even during power outages. It uses 3 AA batteries that are placed in a slide-out compartment for adequate protection and accessibility. In addition, the device features a digital display that allows you to observe the carbon monoxide rate from 10 to 999 parts per million. What more, it stores all carbon monoxide readings in the built-in memory that is also very handy for medical professionals to detect just how much carbon monoxide has been inhaled. And because carbon monoxide accumulates in the body, the device can even keep track of the carbon monoxide levels you have inhaled over time. Hence, you can take appropriate steps in time. Furthermore, the device is fitted with a LED bulb that serves as a power level indicator. As a tip, when the LED bulb displays a green light every 30 seconds, it's an indication that the alarm system is running smoothly. However, if it displays a red light, it's a signal that carbon monoxide has been detected, and so, you need to act accordingly. Furthermore, after the situation has been brought under control, the alarm can be silenced through the test unit circuit. Overall, this is a great product that has been designed with an electrochemical sensory technology, which makes it arguably one of the best carbon monoxide detectors in the market. It can be mounted anywhere on DOES and require a power socket before use. Just insert the batteries, and you are good to go. Furthermore, this sensor boasts of a 7-year lifespan, And as if that's not enough, Kidde offers a 10-year warranty with every purchase. Number 2. Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Every home should have a smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide alarm, so why not combine the two? The first alert, SEO 501CN3 Street, is an accurate and user-friendly combination alarm that battery-powered. It has an 85 decibels voice alert system that tells you the type of danger and where in the house it is. That means you and your family can get to safety quickly and without having to think. First Alert is one of the most trusted brands in home safety. They released the first residential smoke alarm in 1958, so it's fair to say they have a track record of keeping people safe. This alarm might look like an old-school smoke alarm, but it has a few modern features. For example, it features a photoelectric smoke sensor and electrochemical CO sensor, the latest in alarm technology. Plus, you can connect multiple alarms together to create a wireless safety network in your home. Number 1. Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide Detector. Next up on our list is Kidde Nighthawk Company Alarm. This product features an LED display that shows the carbon monoxide level in parts per million ppm. You can be sure to get accurate readings, as it auto-updates the carbon levels every 15 seconds. If the company in the area hits dangerous levels, the Nighthawk sounds an alarm to alert you of the impending hazard. This product also features a peak level button that keeps memory of the last highest CO level recorded. A 9-volt backup battery ensures that the device keeps working even during a power outage. While the Nighthawk does not self-test, it features a thermal function indicator that lets you know when everything is business as usual with the device. When it is not, you can use the test button to verify that the alarm and circuit are working correctly. You may also like some of the best door alarms from our list, so be sure to check them out and pick the right one for your home.